welcome back to the vlog. Today I am inside Sentosa Cove village. In 1970, government planned to build this piece of the island located on the south of mainland Singapore into a recreational hub equipped with water sports facilities. Then after several changes in the initial plan, Sentosa Cove took its desired shape in November 2004. But the real attraction, those yachts, are floating on the water like a bunch of beautiful swans. I don't know how many yachts are standing here right now or how much each one cost, and I really don't want to get into a calculation mode. I just want to enjoy the view. The jetty seems to be generous enough when it comes to accommodating them. This wooden boardwalk gives you ample space to walk on it, cycle, jog, and even travel from one end to another in golf buggies or a club car. Started raining within 10 minutes. We entered this village. Now this is another aspect of Singapore. It can shower anytime and you need to be prepared. Now as I was saying, we are inside this village now. Although they call it village, it's actually a residential cum resort area. Apart from the residential bungalows, I can see the Marina Club 1 degree 15 right over there. This club stands at 1 degree and 15 minutes north of the equator and is hence named this way. Another yacht is passing by over there. It's actually not our day today. It's raining. Rain stopped in between. Then we started roaming and then it again started raining and we had to take shelter. Now still it's drizzling and today's day went like this. If we had 1 solid hour at least to shoot, then we could have done justice to this day, justice to this outing. But nevertheless, luck is not in our favor. Looks like the village is all set to embrace the evening with trees decorated with lights. Did you see the yachts around? All these yachts reminds me of the Dil Chahta Hai movie where Amir Khan was singing जाने क्यों लोग प्यार करते हैं टू प्रति जिंटा. If you ask me, they don't need a Christmas tree here. The trees wrapped in tiny lights on either side of the walkway can give a good competition to all the Christmas trees. The bright yellow lights have brought quite a vibe inside these grey champagnes. There are several dining outlets inside here. You can catch up with someone and relish a yummy snack or have a fulfilling dinner. This entire lane on my left hand side is an eat and drink area. These club cars are throughout this place pretty much like the yachts. You will bump into at least one while walking inside the village. Although we have seen yachts in this place so far, but the real highlight of this place is that it has more than 2000 ocean-facing villas, condominiums and bungalows. Sentosa Cove Village covers an area of 117 hectares of land and includes 5 islands reserved for bungalows. The residential buildings are divided into the northern precinct and the southern precinct. So that's it for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share with your friends and family, and of course please click the subscribe button for more updates. Thank you for watching it and Happy New Year.